Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your date and time format in Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple video. So in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and hit enter. After that, in the setting page, you can go to your left side menu here and you will find time and language. You can click on it. And then in the time and language there is date and time. You can click on it, and then you can see there is option to change the date and time format. You can click on it, and now you can change the details of your format, like the calendar. You can change the calendar, and then the first day of the week, I'm gonna choose maybe this is my language, Monday. This is Monday. And then you can choose the short date, the short date, the format, it's up to you. I'm gonna choose maybe this one, so it's gonna be easier. And then the long date, it's up to you. I'm gonna choose like this, and also the short time and the long time. So it's up to you. And then after that, you can choose if you want to add the AM or PM symbol, if you want to change it or not. And it's done. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.